Green infrastructure investments should prioritize local sourcing of materials and labor, minimizing transportation costs and maximizing the economic benefits within the community. By focusing on these core strategies, cities can embark on a transformative journey towards a more resilient and sustainable future. These are not just strategies, but steps towards greener, more sustainable cities for us all. Voiceover. Let's take a closer look at the foundation of green infrastructure, the core principles that guide its planning and implementation. These principles, as outlined by Montero et al. 2020, serve as the roadmap for sustainable landscape management practices within our cities.